Hello, dear students. Today's today's class is case. Okay. Today's topic is case. We will discuss about the case. Case is a very important part of uh, English grammar and English literature or English language. Actually, we will discuss. We discussed in the previous class shortly. Today I will discuss about details. Okay. There are generally there are four kinds of case. Generally there are four kinds of case. Okay. One is nominative case, two objective case, three possessive case, four vocative case. Vocative case. Okay. Now we will discuss about these cases. Okay. At first we will discuss about nominative case. Nominative case mainly subject of a verb. Subject of a of the verb. In a sentence, when we see a subject, okay, any kind of subject of the verbs, of a verbs or of the verbs, this is nominative case. In a sentence, we see all time a subject, one verb, one object. Actually, which word or which noun works like a subject, okay, that is called nominative case. For example, Rana plays football. Okay, here verb plays. Okay, play. This plays subject is Rana. Okay, it is nominative case. It is nominative case. Clear? All kind of subject, okay, all kind of subject is called nominative case. Okay. Yes. Any question here? No. Nominative case is clear. Two is objective case. What is objective case? Two objective case. Object of the verb or a verb. Okay, a verb, object a verb. A verb of object of a verb. When any word does or works like a object in a sentence, okay, that is called objective case. Okay, we can give an example. Rana plays football. Same example. It is object. Okay, object of verbs plays. Okay, for that reason it is objective case. It is objective case. Clear? Objective case are two kinds. Okay, we can give an example. Rana gives Russell a book. Rana gives Russell a book. Two object. Okay. When we say that Rana gives a book, it is direct object. Okay, Russell is indirect object. It is direct object, it is indirect object, but both are objective case. Both are what? Both are objective case. Both are objective case. Are you clear about objective case?
Yes.
Very easy topics. Okay, no any difficult. Very easy, but you have to think easily. Okay. Possessive case. Number 3. What is possessive case? Actually, possess means right. This is Rohim's pen. Who is owner of this pen? Rohim. Who is owner? Rohim. It is possessive. Okay. We can ownership. Ownership. This is Russell's pen. Okay. This pen who? Russell. Okay. For that reason it is possessive case. The pen, this pen ownership is Russell. Okay. Clear? This book, this is Rana's book. Okay. It is also a possessive case. Clear? Most of the time we see stop S. Okay, stop S here. Okay. This is possessive case. Clear? Finally, we can say we see vocative case. There is no need any definition. Okay, just we have to understand. We have to introduce. Okay. 4. Vocative case. Relation. What is relation? Vocative case. Rana
can you give me a pen?
Rana, do you read the book? Rana is no here subject. Here Rana is no subject because Rana is a relation. Okay, he tell by naming. He call by naming. Rana, do you read the book? Here this subject you. Okay, it is a relationship following. Okay, father, I want to tell you about something. Okay, about something. Here father is a relation. Okay, not subject, because here one comma. But subject is I. It is not subject of verb, okay? Not subject of, the subject of verb is I. It is a vocative case. It is vocative case. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
These are vocative case. Actually, we see that 4 kinds of cases we knew here very easily. Okay, what is nominative about nominative case, about objective case, about possessive case, about vocative case. Vocative case. Are you actually clear about 4 kind of cases?
Yes.
Only this, okay? Now, when you read a passage or a story or any kind of writing or article in a English book or papers, then you have to think that about 4 kind of cases, okay? What is nominative case, what is objective case, what is possessive case, what is vocative case. It is very important for higher grammatical topics, okay? Okay, let's no more today. Thank you. Bye.